Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to monitor your account activities on Bright for unusual transactions. Keeping an eye on your money, well, here's how to monitor your Bright account for suspicious activities in under 2 minutes. Let's go. First, open the Bright app and tap the Activity or Transactions tab on your dashboard. Then, browse through your recent spending history and account activity. To narrow it down, tap the filter icon to view by date, transaction type, or by category. Look for any unfamiliar payments, transfers, or withdrawals. And if you find something odd, tap the transactions and select report this to disputes, or you can just tap dispute to notify Bright security team. For added protection, go to settings, notifications, and make sure transaction alerts are turned on. And that's it. You're now in control and ready to catch anything out of the ordinary. For more security tips, hit like and subscribe and stay bright, safe. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.